Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. Hope everyone's doing well. Day 7 on the chili seed propagator checkups. See how they're doing. Got the Kashmiri merch here. Doing very well. I suppose they're a bit leggy, but they're doing alright. They're coming along nicely in my opinion. We shall see. Poblano got the one popping through. Got 2 Padron, 1 sweet banana, some cayennes there, a couple of cayennes. The Scotch bonnet MOA is MIA. So a couple more cayennes there and there. The black jalapeno, they're just starting to pop through. They've still got the seeds hanging on the top to them. And there's a couple coming through the black jalapeno. They seem to be the slowest, but let's move on to the next one. Okay, the Armageddons, the super hots. 1's coming through nicely there. 2 on the second. The Zebrangi. I was looking as I fear this one's going to topple. It's a bit leggy. A bit's an understatement. That's okay, we got some more coming through here. 3rd one popping through. I might have to pluck him out, but see, 2 coming through there. 2 coming through there. Ahi pineapple was fail. The large orange tie, 2 coming through, a couple in the corner. Let's have a look at the next one. Okay, tray 3, let's have a little look. Got 2nd Tabasco coming through here. 1's just starting to pop out. Jalapeno, that one, no good. This one, very nice here, and that one's a bit leggy. Okay, Buena Mulata. Look at those leaves. Super purple. Some look very purple. Dreamcatcher, no good. Dreamcatcher here, we've got a couple nice dark leaves showing. And here, look at that one. Got 1 Scotch bonnet there. A couple of MOAs looking very nice. Okay, final tray. We're in the sugarish peach stripey. There's one just starting to pop its head out. Got 3 here. I'm probably going to have to clip this one. Give it a day. And got 2 nice looking ones there. Onto the ghost peppers. 2 young'uns popping through there. We got 2 more here. And 3 actually starting to come through. Habaneros. Yeah, nothing. I just think there wasn't enough heat or humidity for the ahi pineapple or the habaneros. It's just, we'll try again. We still got seeds. Carolina Reaper I was a bit worried about, but we got 1 just popping through there, and the 2nd just popping out the roots. Same here, that was looking great. And another little Reaper there. And then the Zimbabwe Black, 2 very nice ones there. Thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. We'll be keeping up to date with these seedlings, hopefully to the journey of where they're huge plants, giving off loads of pods, and have a lot of products available for the viewers and for locals, and everyone's going to enjoy these lovely peppers and blow their minds and blow their taste buds, hopefully. I hope you're doing well. Please look after yourself, take care of yourself, take care of me, myself and I, because no one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. You take care, guys, and we'll see you soon. Take it easy. Say goodbye, Lucy. Yeah, see you in a bit.